Aim! Hold on.
Load! Go in at an angle so you don't put a hole in the damn camper.
Aim!
Like over here angle.
Over here angle?
Yeah, come on, alright. This could be bad.
Alright, if my aim is off, which it probably is. Aim! Fire!
Reload!
Aim! Fire!
Did you miss?
I don't think so. I hit them the first time, that's for sure. I'm going in. Get ready. Open that door right.
Like the camera crews in the fucking...
Still filming?
Yeah, we're filming, man. We're here.
Still filming?
We're here for you.
That was fucking awesome. Wait. Let's shoot it again.
I thought that was a beef for a second. They're gonna be pissed off.
They're not in there.
They're looking for the asshole that fucking shot their house.
Oh, yeah. Hey, the door's open. 2 more shots. We got 2 more shots.
Alright, let's get ready, people. Fucking fly.
Yeah, close as Go, 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 go!
Put the gun. Car, come and put the gun down.
Put a hole in it.
Where the fuck are they?
I don't know. Hey, come on, go right back in. Okay.
Shoot it again.
Do you have a baseball?
No.
I gotta reload. I didn't bring out any.